In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 Plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says, which of the following sets of numbers will have the smallest standard deviation? Alright, so these are the options. So this is the calculator, the TI-84 Plus scientific calculator. The first thing you will have to do will be to reset the calculator. To do this, press second button, then this plus button. You go for option 7, then press 1 to reset all RAM. Alright, then press 2 and it will reset all RAM for us. Okay, it's done. Press this clear button. Now remember, we're going to find the standard deviation of each and every one of these lists we have here. Alright, so we do it one by one till we get the one that is the smallest among the options we have here. Alright, so this is the data we are working with, the options. So on the calculator, you are going to press this start button. Alright, you press it. So we are under edit, so press 1. Let's impute the values respectively. So let's begin with list 1. Alright, so under list 1 we have this data. Impute them. We have 1, press enter. We have 3, press enter. You have 5, press enter. We have 7. Okay, we have 9, we have 11. Follow me guys. We have 13. Alright, so that's it for list 1. Let's go back to list 2. So under list 2 we have 2, 3, 17. Okay, follow me guys, this is very interesting. Alright, what else? We have 19, 29, 84. Okay, 19, 29, 84. Alright, then we have 112. Alright, so let's go back to list 3, which is option C. We have 11, 12, 12, 11. Okay, 12, 12. We also have 13. Okay, we have 14, 14 as well, and 15. Okay, so that's all for list 3. Let's go back to list 4. List 4, we have 6, 9, 11. Okay, 6, 9, 11. This is option D. Okay, we have 17, 25, 39. 17, 25, 39. Follow me guys, this is interesting. And lastly we have 49. That's for list 4, option D. So let's check the last option, option E, which will be our list 5. Alright, so let's go back to this place. We have 85, 96. Okay, we have 108. Alright, we have 112. We have 119. Okay, we have 129. And lastly we have 145. So that's it for list 5, the last list we have here. Alright, so we are good to go guys. We are good to go. Let's begin to find the respective standard deviations for each list we have here. So from it we can detect or know the one that has the smallest standard deviation. Alright, so let's begin with option A. To get the standard deviation of option A, you press the start button. Okay, this time I want to go to calculate. You go for one variable statistic, press 1. So we are looking for the standard deviation of list 1. We don't have a frequency list for this data, so just ignore it and come straight to calculate. Press enter. So you see we have now, guys, we have two standard deviations here, the sample and the population. Alright, so we are going to make use of the sample to judge the values. Alright, so here for option A, we have the sample standard deviation to be 4.3. Alright, okay, so let's check the sample standard deviation for option B. Alright, remember we have 4.3. Are we looking for the smallest? So let's clear this. Alright, then go over to stats. Okay, now go to calculate. Now, guys, the data we have input already, the values are stored. Alright, so no need to panic. The values are stored. They will not go out until we receive the calculator. So let's still go back to one variable statistics. This time around, let's look for the sample standard deviation for option B, so which is our list 2. We change this to list 2 to input list 2 here. I press second and this button. Alright, so we have list 2 now. Ignore the frequency list, come to calculate, press enter. Alright, so we have the sample standard deviation to be 42.80, which is higher than that of option A. We are looking for the least, alright, the smallest. So let's check for option C, the sample standard deviation for option C. Clear this. Alright, so this is my one. You go for second. No, don't go for second, guys. Just press this start button alone. Alright, so come to calculate, then one variable statistics, then list 3 now. Second, this button for list 3, come to calculate, press enter. Alright, so the sample standard deviation for option C is 1.41. This is the smallest so far, guys. Option C, this is the smallest so far. Let's complete all of them. Let's check option D and see if we're going to get something more small than what we have here. Alright, so we have 1.41, which is our smallest so far. Alright, so let's check that of option D. Clear this, go back to start. Okay, go to calculate. Okay, one variable statistics, then list 4, second, and look at list 4 here. Alright, come to calculate, enter. Remember, list 4 is our option D. Alright, so we have the sample standard deviation to be 16.3. No, so let's check the last option, which is option E, our list 5. Come back to statistics. Alright, go to calculate, then 1. List 5 is per second, and this button to come out, then come to calculating, know the frequency list, press enter. We have it to be sample standard deviation to be 20.05. No, so the smallest value we got as a sample standard deviation was around 1 point something, which is option C. So guys, the correct option to this question is option C. Option C gave us the least or the smallest sample standard deviation. Alright, so that's it for this video. This is basically how you can do this with the TI-84 Plus scientific calculator easily and fast. Alright, to save time. If you are trying to do this manually, to take you a good level of time to figure out. Alright, so with the calculator, it's very simple. Just input the values and find them respectively. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you have subscribed to my channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also, like, share, and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, don't forget to reset calculate. Once you are done, just press the come button, then this plus button, go for option 7 where we say press 1 to reset all RAM, press 2 and it will reset all RAM for you guys. That's it. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.